Hey guys, finally OnePlus showing the camera performance upcoming OnePlus 12. In the last video we are talking about OnePlus 12 using Sony Lite new sensor has a main camera. Upcoming OnePlus 12 using triple camera setup on the back, 50 megapixel Sony Lite 808 flagship main camera. This sensor will be similar to the Sony IMX966 sensor and the picture quality is too good, and here is some picture sample of the OnePlus 12 main camera, and as you can see that all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is too good. And here's some camera comparison between Xiaomi 14 Pro and OnePlus 12, and as you can see that OnePlus 12 are perform pretty well, and the first time OnePlus using periscope zoom camera on the OnePlus device. Yes, the phone comes with 64 megapixel periscope telephoto lens who is OB64B, and it can support 3x optical zoom, and you can maximum zoom in a 120x. Plus camera are done by the Oppo Find team, and it fully enhances the competition photographic capture of the Find series. The new algorithm bringing better details, natural color and better HDR. The company confirmed that the OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution 120Hz LTPO BOE X1 OLED display. The phone peak brightness is 2600 nits peak brightness with narrowest frame 1.1mm, and on the other hand the OnePlus SE3 or OnePlus 12 are using OVE 1.5K OLED display. Of course, the phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and LPDDR5X 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0 storage, and the phone also comes with the USB 3.2 port, and the battery is also slightly bigger. It comes with 5400 mAh battery and it supports 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. So what's the price OnePlus 12? All the new display, camera, SoC and the battery upgrades. OnePlus 12 is going to launch maybe $800. OnePlus 12 are going to launch next month in China, followed by the global release in early 2024. So let me know your thought in the comment section about the OnePlus 12, and thanks for watching, and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.